Thomas with OCR Aviation. We've got a beautiful 2007 Turbo 182 that we're going to take you up for a flight today. It is a beautiful spring day here in Southern California, so let's go up for a flight and see what these things are really about.
We're in 149 Golf Romeo. It's a 2007 Turbo 182 taxi CR Aviation down to 26 left here at Long Beach. Do a quick run up and head down towards San Diego.
Long Beach ground 747 kilos. Questions?
No, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
All right, line up and wait. Runway 26 left, November 149 Golf Romeo. All right, finals clear. We're gonna line up and wait. All right, clear for takeoff. 26 left, left turn at the river. Approved. 149 Golf Romeo.
Number 2 Bravo Delta, runway 26 left, line up and
Good
wait.
engine coming up.
We take clearance, run up to late, 2 Bravo Delta.
Long Beach Tower 220 Whiskey Charlie, holding short 26 left, number 3 for left close traffic.
Number 220 Whiskey Charlie, Lama Char, Roger, stand by.
Line up and wait, 26 left, check 103.
All right, we're making our left turn at the river. We're gonna head out over to the Queen Mary
Delta Golf, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
and head down towards San Diego. It's just such a nice day out. Having a little heat wave here in Southern California. We get 360 days a year usually of perfect flying weather. All right, we're with you climbing out of 4,000 feet up to 1,500. Dean and I are flying the airplane towards Oceanside just because it's such I don't know if we were expecting this marine layer, but regardless, it's a really nice day out. But here we've got a 2007 Turbo 182, and these are popular. We sold a lot of these when we were selling new airplanes. This in particular airplane, we sold it to the owner brand new from the factory.
And the 57 Whiskey.
And he has just babied this plane and loved it more than probably any owner I've ever seen. So 2007 and 2006 is kind of the jumping for the Turbo 182, actually pretty much any 182. Pre-2007, it did WAAS. It didn't come with the GFC 700 autopilot. And it did come with, which I think that's it. There was WAAS and the GFC 700 autopilot. The 2006s and previous had the KAP 140 autopilot. And the
approach
with WAAS, so that was all aftermarket. Synthetic vision, which is great for situational awareness. You're flying into terrain, you're flying at night. You basically have a synthetic picture of what's going on in your surroundings. So the situational awareness couldn't be any better. That's one to go, 4,500 for 5,500.
300, back to first sequence.
Another thing this airplane has is active traffic, which is an option from the factory. It has a storm scope, the WX500 storm scope. Other data link, with airplanes for sale, so I don't think he has it activated right now. And then it's also got TOS-B, which is a terrain awareness, which actually was a pretty popular option for this airplane. 2007 Turbo 182, great airplane for flying in Southern California. We sold a lot of them in Southern California and Northern California. Just with that.
Golf Romeo, taking that last part.
If we're in your way, just let us know. We'll get it. We'll deviate as you need us to, just to stay out of your way.
Everything's here.
A lot of them, a lot of owners take them up to Big Bear. A lot of them in Phoenix area, Palm Springs, but just a great utilitarian airplane. I must have 500, 600, 700 hours in these things. It's probably one of my favorite airplanes to fly. And I don't know, maybe I'm a little biased, but this is just a great airplane. Like I mentioned, we sold this airplane new to the current owner. Kind of funny, him and I have an inside joke that he says I'm the only one to fly this airplane aside from him. So he's put a lot of trust in me to just fly the airplane but sell it for him as well. But over the years, I've gotten to know him pretty well, and he's the guy that does not let anything go unfixed on his airplane. If you take a look at the logbooks, the maintenance records of this airplane, I think our Cessna Service Center has almost exclusively maintained it. There's probably a handful of entries from air being replaced
02 Lima, proceed direct.
or an avionics shop here and there, but for the most part, he's put his trust and care in our maintenance facility. We've become good friends with him. Like I said, no deferred maintenance on this airplane. He's kept it really clean. Probably eat off the floor of his hangar, but aside from that, he's the guy you probably want to buy an airplane from. We're at about 26 inches manifold pressure, 2250 RPM. We're flying it pretty conservative because it's actually a little warm out today. But we're doing 145 true across the ground, and our ground is about 127. It's a great utilitarian airplane to fly, those weekend trips, you and the wife or you and the husband, be a kid or two, some bags and a nice little weekend to get away in this thing. I've flown them cross country. They're super comfortable to be in for a while, and I just think it's a great a great overall platform if you're kind of at the beginning journey of your aviation journey, or if you're even for the most experienced seasoned pilot. These are just great platforms. Super stable, super easy to fly. It's got to get up and go, to get up, to get up out of the mountains, or to take off on a warm day. This one is turbocharged, so you definitely get that little I think it's 235 horsepower, 960-pound useful load, if I remember looking at the weight balance off my head. So like I said, plenty of weight to go in, depending on what your mission is, but plenty of get out there and what you need to do to complete your mission. We're headed back to Long Beach. As I mentioned, this airplane does have WAAS, so we're going to do the GPS Zulu, fully coupled into Long Beach. I already let the controllers know. They put us on a heading at 270, and we're descending to 1,000 feet to a nice slow descent. But although the approach might be something, so we'll select the approach. We're going to do the RNAV GPS Zulu LPV approach into Long Beach.
Southwest 631.
Go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and do vectors. I'm going to set the minimums down to 250.
631.
And since we're on radar vectors for the approach, I'll activate that.
Approach just 1401.
And you can see here we basically got a inbound.
And we have Yankee. November 1401 Lima.
To Gunny for the GPS Zulu 30 into Long Beach. All right, heading 300, and we actually might need to pick up an IFR into Long Beach at Marine. That marine layer looks a little higher than I thought it was.
November 149 Golf Romeo, Roger, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR, 149 Golf Romeo. To 2500.
149 Golf Romeo, squawk 5244.
Okay, 5244, 149 Golf Romeo.
And 149 Golf Romeo, if you're able, maintain 3000 VFR.
Yeah, 3000 I think will work. It's just down to 2000, might get us in those spots.
Better?
So we're going to level at 3000. I requested an IFR clearance into Long Beach. This marine looks a little bit higher than I thought it was going to be, so 2000 might not work. We'll shoot the approach. Might need it, might not, but you never know. It's always better safe than sorry. 2535, 149 Golf Romeo. You have a good day. SoCal 149 Golf Romeo with the 3000 heading 300.
Golf Romeo, traffic 3 o'clock, 1 mile northeast on Skyhawk at 3,300. Turn right, heading 350.
Right turn 350. We're looking for the Skyhawk 149 Golf Romeo.
Golf Romeo, descend and maintain 1,600.
1,600, Golf Romeo. So one feature that we're using right now is level change.
Turn left heading 160.
That's us to maintain 120 knots, so we're doing it.
Might turn right heading 300. From
all right, looks like it's capitalizing the GPS course.
VFR, practice proof proven, service provided.
330, intercept localizer, practice proof.
We got the highway in the sky.
3 Charlie Mike.
Charlie, then Golf Romeo, contact Long Beach Tower, 1.4.
Long Beach Tower, 149 Golf Romeo, GPS runway 30.
November 149er Golf Romeo, Long Beach Tower. Is this a full stop?
It'll be a full stop, 149 Golf Romeo. All right, so we're about a dot above the GPS course for the glide slope. And this is basically going to give us, it's called the highway in the sky. They might have changed the names, but basically make it so intuitive and so easy with this, where you're literally flying through the box. So we've got our descent down to minimums at 250, and the autopilot's doing a great job.
Over to ground, clear track 234.
November 9er Golf Romeo, runway 30, clear to land, hold short of runway 26 right for landing traffic.
All right, clear to land 30, short of 26 right, November 149 Golf Romeo. All right, the autopilot's doing a great job. I think it's time to fly a little bit.
703 Charlie Mike inbound, practice ILS.
All right, got Southwest holding short.
Tango 20 short of 26.
Final looks clear for 2.
November 9er 26 Tango, Long Beach Tower, standby. November 37 X-ray, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 left, 37 X-ray.
All right, I'm going to dip just a little bit. There's our minimums.
November 37 X-ray, follow the twin up windows on the pattern, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
26 left, for takeoff, 37 X-ray.
November 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
26 left, line up and wait 5 Whiskey Foxtrot.
November 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, maintain at or below 1,000 and make a northbound turn at the LA River, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Long Beach ground, November 149 Golf Romeo, we're clear 30 Delta 4 for OCR.
1 Golf Romeo, Long Beach ground, activate Julie 2 and hold short of runway 26 left.
All right, Julie 2, short of 26 left, 149 Golf Romeo, clear on the right. All right, well, we're back in Long Beach. It's a little more overcast than we thought it was going to be. But down the coast, there's that temperature inversion and that marine layer hanging along. Thanks for jumping in with us, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.
All right, so we're back in Long Beach. Any day we get to go fly a beautiful Turbo 182 is a good day in my book. We had beautiful weather, maybe not so much down by the coast, but still had a great time. If you're in the market for a 182 or pretty much anything, take a look at our website, www.ocraviation.com. This one is on the market. I think this one's gonna go pretty fast, but our inventory is always evolving and always kind of moving. Give us a call. We love talking about airplanes just as much as we love flying them. We'll talk to you soon.